Hey friends, check this. I will write a sentence in lowercase. I am Karan, and then I'll hit full stop and hit enter, and automatically this I becomes in capital. So Microsoft Word has this habit of making the first letter of every sentence capital, and that is right because that is how it should be in English. But if you don't want that to happen, then here's what you can do. Click on File, and then you can select Options, and then go to the proofing tab, and then go to autocorrect option. So there's something which says capitalize first letter of sentences. Uncheck this and click on OK, and then click on OK once again. So I'll test it now. My name is Karan. I will put a full stop and hit enter, and see the M in my is not in capital. So now autocorrect has been disabled. I mean, autocorrecting the first letter of every sentence to capitalize it has been disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.